Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Castor, Alberta, a town where history and community intertwine. Nestled at the crossroads of Highway 12 and 861, Castor sits about 143 kilometers east of Red Deer, offering a quiet yet vibrant slice of prairie life. Founded in the early 20th century, Castor grew from a pioneer settlement into a thriving agricultural hub. Its name, meaning beaver in French, reflects the natural beauty that surrounds it. The town's landscape shaped by rolling fields, sandstone cliffs, and a creek that winds through its northeast end, a haven for wildlife and favorite spot for kayaking and paddleboarding. Castor has seen its share of history. Fires have reshaped its skyline, with many of its early landmark buildings lost to flames over the years. Yet resilience defines this town. The Castor District Museum stands as a testament to its past, housing artifacts from its earliest days, including stained glass windows said to have been rescued from the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. The museum also preserves stories of local veterans, from the Boer War to the Korean War, ensuring their legacy lives on. For those seeking a glimpse into Castor's heritage, the Grain Elevator Historical Site is a must-see. These towering wooden structures once dotted the prairie landscape, serving as vital trade hubs. Castor's elevator remains a proud symbol of its agricultural roots. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to explore. Pell's Park offers scenic trails, while the Castor Fishing Pond provides a peaceful retreat for anglers. But perhaps the most iconic gathering place in town is the Beaverdome Arena. Originally built in 1961, the arena was tragically lost to fire in 1966. Determined to rebuild, the community came together, and by 1967, the Beaverdome was back, stronger than ever. Today it stands as the heart of Castor's winter months, buzzing with after-school shinny, skating sessions, hockey practices, and weekend games that fill the stands with cheering fans. The Beaverdome isn't just an arena, it's a testament to Castor's unwavering spirit. Castor's spirit is best seen in its people. Neighbors helping neighbors, farmer and oil workers laboring side by side, and families gathering for annual events. It's a town where history isn't just remembered, it's lived every day. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.